Hello everyone, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get the Wurst Hacked client for Minecraft 1.19.4. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go down into the three links I've just provided in the description. One will take you to the Fabric installer, the other one will take you to the Fabric API, and the last one will take you to the Wurst Hacked client itself. So first we're going to go to the Fabric installer and we're going to click this blue link underneath the giant blue button. Don't press the giant blue button, press the link underneath the giant blue button. And that's going to give you a prompt of where you're going to want to save the file. I'm just going to save it to desktop, and that should be pretty quick. Next we're going to move on to the Fabric API link. The download button is right here where I'm pointing with my cursor. Don't click anything else, just click this download button here. And that will give you a 3 or 4 second loading window, which will then prompt you where you want to save the file. I'm going to save the file to desktop. And lastly, we're going to go to the Wurst link, and we're going to have to scroll all the way down the page until we see a dark grey button with white text in it that looks like this. And we're going to click this Wurst client. It should say Wurst client 1.19.4. We're going to click on this link. It's going to redirect us to another link, and then it's going to give us a prompt of where we want to save the file. Again, I'm going to save it to the desktop. And once you've done all that, that is all you need to do in regards to downloading files in order to get this to work. It should give you 3 files that look something like this. They should run with Java, the .jar files. The only one we're actually going to be opening is the Fabric installer. So what we're going to do is we're going to double click the Fabric installer, and that should bring up a small window that looks like this, and it should automatically be set to the latest version of Minecraft, in this case 1.19.4, and you're going to want to make sure that the create profile box is ticked, which it should be by default, and then we're just going to hit install. Then it's going to give us a window saying Fabric Loader for 1.19.4 has been successfully installed, menu mods also required, and etc. We don't need to read the whole message. Just going to click OK, and then that part's done, and you can delete the Fabric installer. We no longer need that. The only files we need now are the Fabric API and the Wurst client itself. So in order to put these files into the game, you're going to press Windows key and R at the same time, the letter R as in rocket, and that's going to bring up this little window here, and we're going to press Shift and 5 to put a percentage sign in. We're going to go percent app data percent, then we're going to hit enter again, and that's going to bring up this window here. At the very top there should be .minecraft, in my case it's .iris, but normally .minecraft is at the very top. And we're going to just double click on .minecraft, and if you've never used mods before, there's a chance that you won't have a mods folder. In my case I do have a mods folder. If you don't have a mods folder, just right click and go new, and then folder, and name it mods, all lowercase, MODS. We're just going to open the mods folder here, and it's empty at the moment, and we're just going to drag the Fabric API and the Wurst client itself into the mods folder. And then that is all done. It should be all set up. If it doesn't work the first time, it may be because you need to run the game in the version 1.19.4 at least once before you do this. But then you're just going to go ahead and open up Minecraft. So just double click on your Minecraft, and there should be a new installation down in the bottom left corner here called Fabric Loader 1.19.4. It should just automatically pop up and select this installation to run, and we're just going to hit play, and I'll be right, and it's going to give you a warning message. You can just click play, you don't have to tick the I understand risks box, you just click play, and I'll be back when it's loaded. And as you can see, we've loaded up Minecraft, and it should say Minecraft 1.19.4 Fabric modded down in the bottom left corner here. I'm just going to full screen the Minecraft window, and I'm going to go into a test world just to show you how to get started with the hacks. And I've loaded up a world, and you should have a new button when you press escape which says Wurst Options. If we click on Wurst Options, it's going to give you access to changing the keybinds, changing which blocks to include an X-ray, and a whole bunch of other different settings and links. But I'm just going to go back to game, and in order to open up the hacks menu to start enabling hacks, you're going to press the right control button. So the right control button on your keyboard, not the left one, the right one. When we press that, it's going to open up our hacks menu. We should have about 9 tabs. There's other fun UI settings, items, chat, movement, combat, render, and blocks. And these are all different hacks that you can enable. To enable a hack, you just click the button on the hack that you want to enable. So for example, flight or Dolphin, shall we say. You just click on Dolphin and that'll turn Dolphin on automatically, and it's lagging a bit, but that hack, I don't even know what that hack does. But anyway, that's how you enable the hacks. Fast Ladder is another one, but I'm not going to demonstrate it. Jesus is a hack that we can use, which allows us to walk on water. As you can see, I'm walking on water, even though I'm in creative mode, but it would work in survival as well. And then to turn the hack off, you just press right control again and click on the hack again. If you want to see extra options, these little green arrows bring up extra settings. You don't need to worry about that too much. And then to get out of the hacks menu, you just press escape like you normally would. So right control to get in, and then escape to get out. And that is the end of how to get the Wurst Hacked client for Minecraft 1.19.4. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day.